Welcome to Judgment Point. Today we're diving into a major controversy that's causing quite a stir in Washington. Over 100 House Democrats are demanding answers from the Trump administration regarding the arrest of Mahmoud Khalil, a former Columbia University graduate student. They call this arrest an attack on the First Amendment. So, who's involved here? We've got over 100 House Democrats, including Reps Pramila Jayapal from Washington, Jamie Raskin from Maryland, and Mary Gay Scanlon from Pennsylvania. They've sent a letter to Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem and Secretary of State Marco Rubio pushing for answers. Now let's talk about Mahmoud Khalil. Khalil is a Palestinian graduate student and a permanent resident of the U.S. The administration alleges that Khalil led activities aligned to Hamas, and that the protests he participated in were anti-Semitic. They're using a rarely invoked provision of the 1952 Immigration and Nationality Act, which allows the Secretary of State to expel foreigners whose presence is believed to have potentially serious adverse foreign policy consequences. Despite these allegations, Khalil hasn't been charged with any crime. The Democrats are not having it. Their letter calls the use of this law a playbook of authoritarians and compares it to the Alien and Sedition Acts and McCarthyism. They argue that this arrest is a dangerous attack on the First Amendment, and are demanding answers and legal documentation from the administration by March 27, 2025. They've even drawn parallels between the administration's actions and those of authoritarian leaders like Vladimir Putin and Xi Jinping. So, where do things stand now? A judge has temporarily halted Khalil's deportation, but his fate remains uncertain. This case is raising significant legal and constitutional questions. For context, Khalil played a central role in campus protests at Columbia University related to the Israel-Hamas war. The administration claims that some Jewish students felt threatened by these demonstrations, and President Trump has indicated that more arrests like Khalil's could be on the horizon. This situation is developing, and we'll keep you updated as more information comes in. Thanks for tuning in to Judgment Point. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Stay informed and stay sharp.